Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a visitor from another star system, a traveler older than the Earth itself. What secrets would it carry? Well, get ready, because that's exactly what's happening right now. In July 2025, deep in the mountains of Chile, an automated telescope spotted a faint dot of light moving way too fast. Astronomers did the math and their jaws dropped. This object wasn't from around here. It wasn't a comet or an asteroid from our solar system. It came from interstellar space, a true cosmic wanderer, and it was cruising right through our neighborhood. They named it 3i Atlas. Atlas for the telescope that found it, and 3i because it's only the third interstellar object we've ever detected. The first was the infamous Oumuamua in 2017, and the second was 2i Borisov in 2019. Just finding a third one is a huge deal. But what scientists discovered next turned 3i Atlas into one of the greatest celestial mysteries of our time. This visitor from the galactic deep is estimated to be around 7 billion years old. That means it formed long before our sun even ignited, long before the Earth was a twinkle in the cosmos's eye. For billions of years, it has drifted through the void between stars, blasted by cosmic rays, maybe even slingshotting around other suns, before finally arriving here. Naturally, every major telescope on and off the planet turned to get a look. Hubble, James Webb, the Very Large Telescope, you name it. Within months, over 600 observations were made, and more than 70 scientific papers were published. It was a cosmic celebrity. But one of those studies asked a question so wild, it grabbed headlines around the world. Could 3i Atlas be alien technology? The idea came from a familiar name in this debate, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb. If you remember the mystery of Oumuamua, you remember Loeb. He was the one who famously proposed that Oumuamua might not have been a rock but a piece of an alien probe. His claim sparked a global conversation and a best-selling book. Now, with 3i Atlas, he's back. He and his colleague published a paper listing 9 separate anomalies, 9 strange things about its path and composition that, when taken together, just seemed too unlikely to be natural. Loeb pointed to its unusual orbit, its size, its close passes to multiple planets, and even the timing of its journey. It made its closest approach to us right when it was hidden from our view behind the sun. Was that just a cosmic coincidence? Or was it clever planning? As the debate heated up, the James Webb Space Telescope delivered a chemical bombshell. It analyzed the glowing cloud of gas and dust surrounding 3i Atlas, its coma, and what it found was stunning. The cloud was 87% carbon dioxide and only 4% water vapor. Now, in our solar system, comets this close to the sun are overwhelmingly made of water ice. We had never seen anything like this before, but wait, it gets weirder. Observatories in Europe detected something else in its gas. Nickel. Lots of nickel. But strangely, no iron. In the universe, nickel and iron are cosmic twins. They're forged together in the hearts of exploding stars, so you almost always find them together. Where in the cosmos do you find nickel without iron? Well, on Earth, there's one place. Industrial manufacturing, factories, technology. This discovery raised eyebrows even among the most skeptical scientists. Could a natural process create this strange chemical signature? Or were we looking at the exhaust fumes of some ancient artificial object? Of course, the scientific community pushed back, and hard. Teams from major universities analyzed the data and argued that, while unusual, 3i Atlas was behaving exactly like a comet. They pointed out that its outgassing and the way it reflected sunlight were consistent with natural materials, just in proportions we aren't used to seeing. They also noted that Avi Loeb's paper wasn't peer-reviewed. He himself called it more of a thought experiment, designed to make us think outside the box. But that didn't stop the media from running with headlines about an alien probe in our solar system. Loeb defends his bold approach. He says, "Science requires courage. Seeking truth often conflicts with seeking consensus." He argues that being too cautious can blind us to revolutionary discoveries. We might be so afraid of being wrong that we miss something extraordinary. But as the old saying goes, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. And right now, the hard evidence for an alien origin just isn't there. Most astronomers believe it's a natural, though incredibly bizarre, comet from another star. Still, there's something poetic and profound about this object, isn't there? Here is a relic from a time before our sun even existed, a frozen messenger from a faraway solar system, carrying chemical secrets we're only just beginning to decipher. And for the first time in history, we got to see an interstellar visitor up close, or relatively speaking. As it passed near Mars in October 2025, our orbiters, like the ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, managed to capture images and spectra from about 30 million kilometers away. Scientists are still poring over that precious data. Maybe it will confirm that 3I Atlas is just a very strange comet, or maybe, just maybe, it will reveal something we've never seen before. Ultimately, 3I Atlas is a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. It shows us how young our world is, and how vast the cosmos truly is. Whether it's a piece of alien tech or a natural wonder, it's an interstellar time capsule older than life on Earth, and it won't be here for long. By March 2026, it will have passed Jupiter and will be heading back out into the endless dark, never to return. So as you look up at the night sky, take a moment. Know that somewhere out there, a silent traveler is gliding past, carrying the memories of ancient stars and cosmic storms. A story that's 7 billion years in the making. And maybe that's the real point. The universe is still full of mysteries so profound they force us to wonder, to ask big questions, and to dream. And that sense of wonder might just be the greatest intelligence we can hope to find. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed exploring this mystery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our universe. See you next time.